Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today at Solvetic, we will see how to transfer video files from PC or laptop to Android phone. We start by opening Drive from our browser and logging in with our account. After this, we are going to drag the video file to the location where we want to upload it. The video file will be uploaded to Drive. Next, we will go to our mobile phone and open the Drive app with the same account that we use on the PC. Here we will see the video that we have uploaded. We can click on the three dots that appear and choose Download. Finally, we can go to our gallery and we will see the downloaded video. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.